Hey everybody, if you want to use Android's focus mode for productivity, in this video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So go to settings for that, and once you go to your settings, you can guide for digital well-being and parental controls. So you scroll down, find it up and tap on it, and basically look out for focus mode here. So scroll down, find focus mode, and there we go. Here you can just go over and select work time, me time, etc. Tap on add, and you can name your focus mode as well. So I'm just gonna use the one that I have. So for example, work time. So tap on it, and in order to add applications, you just need to tap on this plus option at the top and basically select the applications that pull your attention. For example, YouTube, Instagram, etc. So I'm gonna add Insta and tap on done, and you can see the application right here beside it, and you can set up duration. So tap on duration, and once you do so, you can select up time range. For example, 1 hour, you can make it more or less as well. After that is done, you can tap on OK, and you just need to tap on this option called start. So you can see the focus mode has been enabled. You can just go over and view it up. To activate it automatically during the work hours, you can just go over and do so. To manually do so, you can even swipe down from your notification panel shade and then look out for the focus mode option here on the screen. And once you find it out, you can tap on it to turn on instantly when you need to focus. And that is how you basically use Android focus mode for productivity. You can just add the applications that you do not want, and that is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.